Attention guys, attention. We got this AMG wheel here. And we already know these foreign cars bring that heavy brake dust, but we got something that's gonna break that dust in half, baby. We got the Hawk. Gonna bust that brake dust right in half. So of course get your Hawk and you just spray it like this. Simple. This is a very simple cleaner and it works for real. And pretty much spray the tires. I just like to get every angle of the wheels so I can do less work, right? People say you spray a lot, man. I spray what's needed. Okay, so you spray your Hawk. Again, this is what we use in Hawk, of course. And this is the wheel. As you can see already, it's got to eat it up already. Eat that brake dust away, baby. Okay, get your high pressure water. It's simple. Look. There you go. Now I didn't clean the back barrel, which I probably could clean it. What would I do? I just do a little bit of back barrel for you. I'll show you guys the stuff. See that back there? Spray that in the back like that. I just spray that over like this. Because I already know, if I don't clean that back barrel, I'm gonna get it from all you guys. So let me just clean it for you, show you it works. Oh no, it works. But there you go, the back barrel. Okay, there we go here. There we go, we cleaned 2 of them, and there go that gucky one back there. See? So now there you go, I cleaned the back barrels because I didn't want to hear that heat. And I know you guys said, why you ain't clean the back barrel? Why you clean the back barrel? Well, hey, I cleaned it, and there you go. Of course, we use the Hawk here. This is online. We have it in 2 different sizes. This is the 16 ounce here. We have it in the gallon, and we also have it in the Try Me kit. You guys gotta try this Hawk, man. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm gonna sit this here for a second. Just look at it. I just sprayed the Hawk and used my pressure. In other words, I let the chemical do the work, man. I let the tools do the work for me. Less scrub. Look at that. That badass Hawk, ain't it?